Unveiling the mysteries of the gray parrot. Meet the gray parrot, an intelligent bird with an extraordinary memory and ability to mimic human speech. Found in African rainforests, this species is very sociable, spending time in large groups. They're nature's true companions. Gray parrots have an impressive lifespan. With proper care, they can live up to 60 years, making them lifelong pets. They are keen learners, boasting the intellect of a 5-year-old. From recognizing shapes to understanding numbers, their cognitive abilities are remarkable. Not just smart, gray parrots are excellent mimics. They can reproduce a range of sounds including human voices, alarm clocks, and even microwaves. However, the gray parrot is endangered due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these amazing birds. In conclusion, the gray parrot is a charming, intelligent, and sociable bird. Their existence enchants the animal kingdom, truly a testament to nature's wonder.